Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel. I'm here to save you time and money, and today it's how to fit a door spring stop. Now this is a really easy job, but it's only easy when you know how to do it. Right, let's get cracking. This is the door at the moment, and if someone comes crashing through here, it just slams into the skirting board and the wall. Not good. So what we want to do is install a spring door stop. If you happen to be replacing an existing one, it's very easy to remove. Just literally unscrew this anti-clockwise. If you want to remove the old bracket from the wall because it's delaminated or it's not looking very good, you can literally just get a screwdriver on here, remove it by turning it anti-clockwise, and then just prise it off against the skirting board. And here is my spring door stop here. Now what you will need is a hole in your skirting board or your wall. If you haven't already got a hole in your skirting board, it's definitely worth just drilling a small pilot hole in there before you screw into the wood, because if you screw into wood that's near the edge, it can split the wood. So take the smallest drill bit you've got and just drill a pilot hole ready. Then take your spring door stop and unscrew this anti-clockwise from the bracket here, and this releases the bracket and you've got the screw in the middle. Then put that into the hole, just line that up, make sure it's nice and straight and true with your fingers first before you put the screwdriver on it. Then take your screwdriver, and obviously it's clockwise to screw in. Just screw it all the way home until it's nice and tight against the skirting board. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about how to fix sticking curtains on your curtain rails. Really good tip that is. Right, that's now nicely on there. So take your spring door stop. Now what you've got is you've got this end bit. Now what you want to do is you want to get that into this hole here. So just get it into that hole. Once it's in there, then literally just screw it clockwise until it won't go any further. And there we go, spring door stop now fitted. So now if someone comes crashing through the door, it hits that instead of the wall. Fabulous. There's a link above now about how to clean your UPVC window frames so they stay clean, and I'll tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.